Hey guys, Mark here. I'm the inventor of the Tree Nanny. The Tree Nanny is a Christmas tree watering system. And I'm just making this quick video to show you how well my tree has been maintained. It's January 22nd. And I do got a paper here. Please excuse the selfie stick skills. I'm still honing those in his first time. But if you see the date there, says that there was a Women's March. That's awesome. All right, so here's my tree. It's January 22nd, and the needles are still on there pretty good. And I mean, look, they're staying on there well. And there's and I'll show you the bottom here. They fall off, and I'm not saying by any means that the needles never fall off. I mean, they do minimally fall off during the year. I mean, so there is the needles, and there's some on the ground there. But the reason what makes the Tree Nanny so different from any other Christmas tree watering system is it reminds you to water it, which never lets the bottom of the trunk go dry. So like if you've ever seen a evergreen tree, cut off a branch and it will sap up. Well, that's the same thing that happens when you cut it off the bottom of the tree. So when you get it home, you cut off an inch off of it, put it in a tree stand, you put the Tree Nanny on there, and it will never let it go dry. How it works is it plays Jingle Bells chorus, not the whole song, every 10 minutes until telling you that you need to water your Christmas tree. So what you do is once you hear it playing Jingle Bells, wait till it's done playing Jingle Bells. Here's the funnel. Pour the water down there. As the water level rises, you're going to hear a chiming sound that lets you know that there's enough water in there. I also put a light sensor on there, so when you shut the lights off, the device shuts off too, so it's not going to wake you up in the middle of the night. Here's the Tree Nanny. Here's the packaging. Oh, sorry about that shaking. I got to get better with the selfie stick. There's how you hook it up. Oh, yeah, there you go. There's how you hook it up. But again, I just wanted to show you how well this tree was maintained January 22nd, and I actually can finally get it out of my living room. I do want to keep it running a little longer till he dies, but you know, January 22nd is pretty good. But thank you anyway. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope everybody out there has a great new year. Bye-bye.
Oh, don't be like your Auntie Annie and use your fanny. Get a Tree Nanny.